Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 10.7 in Algebra 1, page 403. Starting with number 14. The time to travel a fixed distance varies inversely as the rate of travel. When the time traveled is 6 hours, the rate of travel is 90 kilometers per hour. Find the time when the rate of travel is 80 kilometers per hour. So here they're giving you a clue that the time varies inversely with the rate. So we can write this as such. T equals to, and we have here two values for the rate and the time, 6 and 90. We can solve this problem as such. R1 T1 equals to R2 T2. And since we have two values here, 6 and 90, we can replace 6 times 90. 6 is for the time and 90 is for the rate, equals. And here we have the rate and we want the time. 80 times T2. So 6 times 90. Divide by 80 equals to 6.75 hours. Next is number 16. When two mesh gears revolve, their speeds are inversely proportional to the number of teeth they have. So here we have the speed and the number of teeth. So the speed is inversely proportional to the number of teeth of the gear. If a gear with 60 teeth revolves at a speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, at what speed should a gear with 90 teeth revolve? So here we have two values, 60 and 2500. Again, we can apply the same situation here, the same formula as before we get the product. So here we have 2500 and 60. And we want the speed for 90. So the speed for 90 teeth. And we solve this. We multiply and divide by 90. 2500 times 60 divided by 90. And that's equal to 166.67 rounded. Next is number 18. The volume of gas varies inversely as the pressure. If the volume is 60 meters cubed under 6 atmospheres of pressure, find the volume under 4 atmospheres of pressure. So the volume varies inversely with pressure, and here we can write this as such. And we have here the first two values, 60 and 6. So 60 for the volume times 6 atmospheres equals to, find the volume under 4. So V2 times 4. And now we solve. 60 times 6 divided by 4, and that's equal to 90. So volume 2 is 90. Next we'll do number 21. The height of a cylinder of constant volume varies inversely as the square of the radius of the base. So here the height varies inversely as the square of the radius of the base. Here it's better to get the K value and then apply the formula. The height of a cylinder is 12 and the radius of the base is 5. So we have two values, 12 for the height and 5 for the radius. And so K equals to 12 times 25. And that's 300. So now our formula is H equals to 300 over R squared. Find the height of the cylinder of the same volume with the base radius of 6. So here we have a radius of 6. 300 divided by 36, and that's 8.33. And the units are in meter. And with this, we come to the end of this session, and we hope to see you again.